What's up, what's up, what's up? Good evening, guys. Give me 2 minutes and we're gonna get started. What's up, guys? Good evening, good evening, good evening. What's up, what's up? What's up, dogs? What's up? Gonna be on in 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Stay on. We're gonna get going in 2 minutes. Let's just get people to join and we're gonna get started in 2 minutes. Oh. Il est où le OG pack? Where's the OG pack? Yeah, where's the OG pack, man? Hold on, where's my camera? Hold on, wait a second. My camera's not even on. Let's get it. Oh, here we go. Close this door. I got some music playing in the background, and I don't want YouTube to stop the stream, right? So, all right, what's up, guys? Noise. Oh, what's your topic? Oh, we're gonna break down some trades, and we're gonna talk about trading rules. So, give me. Yeah, man, the cowboy hat is needed tonight. It's I feel like a cowboy, and I got the full concept for tonight. I got the cowboy booth here for glass, and I actually have what? I got the cowboy beer. This is a full concept, guy. I'm so excited, right? So excited, man. What? That was a beautiful day today. All right, so let's see here. I'm just taking some notes here. Some stuff I don't want to forget to tell you guys. So what's up with that focus here on my camera? All right, so let me just check here. Okay, we got this, we got this, we got this, we got this. Yes. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Yes, yes, yes. All right, this. And we're gonna get going in 1 minute. 1 minute, 1 minute. 1 minute. All right. Just want to make sure people ready on the YouTube. Send me fire emoji. Can we do a fire emoji on YouTube? I don't even know if we can do that. I don't even know if you're allowed to do fire emoji. Can we do that? I don't even know. Who let the dogs out? Yeah, man. Man, let me tell you, the dog is out. I'm full out, right? Yeah, all right, so let's go. Oh, here we go. Here's yeah, fire emoji. Can we get a cowboy hat emoji? That would be awesome, man. That would be full concept here. Man, I feel really excited. What's going on? Yeah. Oh, fire emoji, fire emoji. All right, so guys, if it's your first time here, welcome. This is Forex talk over here. So basically, concept is really simple. And yes, I got my cowboy hat tonight because I feel cowboy. And yeah, so basically, concept is really simple. I'm gonna crack up a beer, and hopefully, you guys go grab a beer. Go grab a beer. Let's have a beer together. This is Friday. It's time to talk about Forex a little bit, but chilling. So let's have a beer. And if you're having a beer with me, please post a picture into your story on IG, tag myself, and I will reshare it. That would be amazing. That would be amazing to notice that we're having a beer together, right? So, all right, guys. So first thing first, let's crack up this beer. So this is a microbrewery, which is actually in Saint-Tite here, Quebec. It is a double New England IPA, double New England IPA, sour. So this is going to be very, very, very special. It's a sour, but The color doesn't seem sour, so I can't wait to taste this because this is gonna be real different. So again, guys, cheers. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Oh, that's pretty good. Oh man, we got some cowboy hat over there. Damn, dog. That's pretty cool, man. Pretty dope. Pretty dope. Oh, that's pretty good, man. That's actually pretty good. All right. All right, guys. So really happy that we are having a beer together. So now let's talk. Let's talk about Forex a little bit. So let's first thing first. Okay, let's talk about the trade from me. Let's move this. What the hell? Oh, not this. Here we go. Let's move this over here. All right. So all right. All right. So we got the chart right here. All right. So the trade I took today, let me just check my phone for a second. I think someone's asking where is the stream. Oh, no, that wasn't the case. Okay, perfect. I guess we are on. Yes. Okay, perfect. All right, so let's get going. So this is GA, and we talked about that this morning in the stream. So basically, if you didn't saw the stream this morning, you can watch the replay. It's actually available right now on YouTube. So let's take a look at this. This is GA, and I don't know if you guys remember if you were there this morning. If you weren't, let me break it down very quickly for you. So basically, you're looking right now at the 1 hour. So let's go to the 30-minute. Okay, so looking at 30-minute right now, and that is something I didn't base my trade on that, but that's actually something I journaled because it's not the first time I see GA really respecting market structure pattern. And I don't trade based on that, but I use those as a hint on the market. So so actually you can see here you got this, left shoulders, you got this head, you got this right shoulder, and technically I mean, you can, buy to the neckline. Yeah, okay, perfect. That's basic, right? So now let's talk about what happened now after this. Price shoot up, and at first I was actually looking to take a buy if we were creating support at 800, right? If we were in a volume period, because this minor support, minor resistance here was pretty scary. But again, I was waiting for strong support and it never happen. Price actually faked out above 8,000 QP here, actually fake out and came back right under. So at this point, the price was way too close to the next zone for me to take a sell. So I kind of waited. Actually, price finally came down, but reject and closed back in the range. So I was like, damn it. So I actually left, started to work, did my stuff. Suddenly saw I went on H1 when I came back, and I see this candle that came down all the way here above this 500 QP, closed under this. Whoops, I'm moving the wrong screen here. Sorry, guys. So basically, yeah. Okay, so this candle here closed under this 500 QP. So indicating me that technically we should visit at least next QP. And this next candle at 10 a.m., which is still has some NYC volume, started to go up over there and start rejecting, super strong rejection, came back down, and when it broke previous low, bam, I took entry and I secured profit at 15 pips. When I reach like the 250 QP here, put stop at break even, and I secured my profit, closed 90% at 15 pips, and the rest I let it run. But unfortunately, this next candle retraced back up and kind of took me out. It's too bad because the runner would have run like insane, but my target was actually Oh, I'm on the wrong candle here. Yeah. So this one was the one I took my entry, right? And this one is the one that took me out because my entry was like kind of right here with the spread. So I got out because my by probably like not even 1 pip. It's crazy. I got out here. So on this wick, too bad, man. It is what it is. So anyway, so this started to come back down again, and it's too bad because the runner would have run. My target was originally this QP, the 79,000 even. That was my final destination for my target for my runners. I mean, but to be honest, I mean talk about that in the stream, and I was expecting price to come down to this support here or this one here, right? On 30 minutes. Because I mean there's clean traffic until then. So yeah, so that was the GA trade, I guess, this morning. Um hopefully that makes sense. Hello Val, hello, hello, hello. Hmm. Did I just spill some beer right there? That's pretty good. Alright, so now I got some beer on my t-shirt. Oh well, it is what it is. This is what a cowboy do, right? Alright. Um Today I've watched your RVP video. Can you please tell us something about that? Oh, there's nothing much to talk about it. It was a while ago, a while back ago. Yeah, it was back then. I was doing some I was doing how you call that, multi-level marketing. I did that for I think 5 6 years ish, and yeah, it was really hard at first, and finally um got things rolling and did pretty good money, right? So yeah, yeah, the beer spill, man. Oh well, it is what it is. Yeah, I'm gonna smell good. I'm gonna smell real cowboy. Uh, all right. So, oh, Alessandro from Italy. Welcome, welcome. So, welcome. Yeah. Casimiro, cowboy. Interrogation mark. Yes, I felt like a cowboy tonight. So, felt like putting my hat, and I also got my boot right here. So this is my boot, right? So Val in the house, original OG pack. All right, so okay, so let's see here. Let's talk about GJ for a second. I think GJ was pretty good also today. There's a lot of people who catch up buys that we called in. Personally, it was against what I wanted to do, so that's why I didn't took it. But yeah, so now I mean GJ. I think next week when I have a lot of fun, I think GJ is gonna retrace back up, and we should be fine, right? We're gonna have some clean traffic to the upside. But we'll see, man. We'll see. So now let's move on. Let's see. Do we have questions here? Okay, no questions so far. Perfect. If you have questions, by the way, don't be shy. You can ask your questions. Okay, so now let's talk about some rules. All right, so trading rules, right? But before, cheers. Whoa, this is sour, man. Woo! Oh, we. Okay, all right. So let's remove this. Okay, before removing this, I'm gonna choose something exciting. I cannot wait for Wednesday, I think. Am I? Ah, man, he's probably gonna be mad at me if I do this. But let's do it. I don't know if I should do it. But okay, I'm gonna give you just a hint. Just gonna give you a hint, right? If you look at Trixie right now, you see my regular chart on Trixie, right? And you see a trade idea right here, which is way different. What it is? I'm gonna let you guess, and next Wednesday on Forex Talk Over Beer is gonna be a full release of this new thing. So it's gonna be pretty cool, man. This tool just leveled up big time, just big time. So if people you don't have Trixie yet, man, you should get Trixie now, man, because the new patch is just amazing. So, anyways, that was a surprise for today. I was not supposed to show, but I can't help. He's probably gonna be mad at me. Hopefully not. Um, hopefully not. Hopefully not. So hopefully Gabrielle's not gonna be mad at me. All right. So all right. Let's move into this here. Let's get this bigger a little bit. All right. Perfect. So all right, guys. So again, let's talk about trading rules because I had that question this morning about trading rules. So I'm gonna share a little bit of my trading rules, and maybe it can help you, right? So first thing first, you need to decide your hours that you're gonna be trading. So you decide to trade NY session, London session, Asian session. Decide a time, and you need to trade in those time. Let's say that you usually trade New York session, and you see a trade around like 11 or 1 p.m. It's too late. Don't take it because price doesn't move the same way at those times. Volume is not there anymore. So especially on pound pairs, if you're trying to trade those after 1 p.m., man, it's gonna be hard, man. Most of the time, it's gonna consolidate, or I mean, there's no volume. So why you want to do this? So yeah, first thing is set up your trading hours. Number two, you need to decide to focus on setups. So basically, find one, two, max three setups that you want to be focusing on, and you're gonna be taking trades only on those setups. Only focus on those. Even if you see something, oh, let's say you decide to trade on, I don't know, specific setups, and you see something else happening and you think it's going to go, don't touch it. It's not the one you're focusing on. All right, so that's really, really important. Personally, I focus on that dogtail trade setup. I focus on when a new high is created, we need to retest that new high. So that's the other setup. And break and retest. That's the only three thing that I'm gonna be looking at. That's it. I don't even take like breakout impulse. I don't do those. I don't do those. I don't like those. Sometimes I get faked out, and I don't know. Just this is me personally. This is my own rules. You gotta set up your own rules. Okay. Quality over quantities. Wait for that setup instead of taking 3, 4, 5 setups of 5 trades and finally getting your setup that you're going to be winning. Well, you already lost 4. And that goes back to focusing on 1 to 2 trades a day. That's it. Max 3, right? So max 3, and this is with experience. But first, focus on 1 trade or 2 max a day, right? So yeah, so let's see. Do we have a question before I go further? Good morning, Sasha. Today the stream was great. Thank you. Oh, thank you, Simon. So it's the morning. So if you're having a coffee with me, man, take a picture, send it on Instagram, tag myself in your story, and I'll reshare it. So cheers to that. All right. Man, this beer is actually pretty good. It's sour. It's not so bad though. Not that sour, but yeah. All right. So good morning, Sasha. Okay, how's the challenge going? To be honest, it's the first week was, how can I describe that? Horrible. So first week was horrible. Came back on the game, and Monday was it Monday I had a loss? Can't remember. Uh, but yeah, no, I'm back on it right now. So right now I'm at break even. So we'll see how it goes. But yeah, so far so good. And to be honest, I don't really care. And the reason why is I'm doing that challenge just to see how it goes. If everything's fine with the system, because I want to be able to see if everything's good, if I can keep on referring that program. I got my own funds, right? So I'm doing this just for fun, to be honest. I got my own capital that I can trade. That's why I always trade both account at the same time. So yeah, but I'm really competitive. So of course I want to pass it, but that's the other thing. Also with that challenge, it will play with your mind. It will play with your mind because now you got a timeline, right? You got a timeline to respect. So it's going to push you to actually take more trades and actually risking a little bit more. So that plays with you. So to be honest, that's really hard in the mindset. So I'm being full transparent here, full honest. This is not for everyone. You need to be ready for the classic model and the aggressive model, which is pretty cool because you don't have a deadline. So now those one I'm doing pretty good. But the first month or two was terrible, because I was not used to trade, 10 lots, 20 lots. It's just like, man, let me tell you, it plays with your mind. So yeah, you got to be ready mentally. So that was just a side note. Appreciate the honesty. Good luck. Thank you. Yeah, I mean, there's no point to fake, just like be, oh yeah, I'm doing good, man. I'm doing like 10,000. It's just like, F you, man. Just like, just be real. Just like, there's enough fake people out there. Just like, man, if you don't like someone to be to be honest, and you just like the bling bling, I mean, you're not looking at the right guy, man. You're not following the right person. So I mean, unfollow me and go follow those weirdos. So anyways, all right. So next rule: focus on one pair for at least 1 year before looking at a second pair. Okay, so focus on one pair for at least 1 year before looking at a second pair. So that's really important. Time frame. Okay, so now you got to decide about with your strategy what time frame should be better for your entries, right? If you're used to take entries on 15 minutes and 30 minutes, I think it can be really, really, really dangerous to try to go trade on 5 minutes and 1 minute, right? So you need to back test those first before being able to trade on those the right way. So same thing for me. I decided not to trade on 15 minutes, focusing on 30 minutes and 1 hour. The only time I will actually gonna not take a look, because I always gonna sneak peek on 15 minutes to see what's happening, market structure, see how it goes. But I will take entry on a 30 minute or 1 hour, or maybe 15 minutes sometimes. The only reason if GJ or GA is trending super hard and not giving me the entry on 30 minute. But that's the only way I'm going to be looking at 15 minute. And the other rule I got also, I'm done taking impulse move outside of volume time. So this is really, really important. I'm always going to take, not always, sorry, but only going to take impulse entry when volumes in the market. So NY open or NYC open, that's where I'm going to be looking at that dog tail trade setup. Impulse, I'm not going to be taking impulse out of a consolidation zone. And yeah, so that's my own rules. So I think it's really important that you set up your rules, you write it down, and put it in your face. Put it in your face so you see it every day. Every day. That's really important. Cheers, guys. Hello, man. Are you using a copy trader? If so, how has your experience has been, pros and cons? No, I don't. I actually use Magic Key. So with Magic Key, it's really simple. I got my other computer here, and I got my two MT4 open. I just move my mouse from the window that I want to take action. So let's say I want to enter my funding talent account. Boom, I press open trade. Let me put this on off, making sure I don't do something stupid. So I put open trade, and I move my mouse to the second screen. Boom, click open trade, and that's done, right? So sometimes, yeah, I can have a little difference on the entry, but to be honest, it's quick enough. So that's how I do it. That's it. All right, cool. All right. This question. All right, no question. Tu me dead tellement avec ta botte de bière. Ouais, man, elle est vraiment. Man, c'est Saint-Tite, bro. Saint-Tite. À l'affût. Cheers, guys. Um. Oh, okay. Liked in both account. Nice. Yes, correct. Posted my screenshot on Instagram, brother. Oh, okay, so I'll go take a look at it. I'll go take a look at it. Maybe not tonight. Maybe not tonight because I'm already up 2 years, so maybe not a super good idea. And yeah, man, I think this morning was pretty good. We had fun. I mean, we had fun, and I think Forex sometimes we need to go to basics and just realize that this is, man, this is something that anyone can win if you focus and take time and understand the process. So it's really important, man. There's too many people trying to rush that process. It is just a process. It will take time, but if you're there, and I'm gonna again, I said that this morning, and I'm challenging everyone here again. Be there 1 year from now. 1 year from now, focusing on the right stuff, man, and you'll make it. No worries. Enjoy. Yes, thank you. When you start trading, I started to trade. Like I said this morning, the stream. I'm so bad with time. I'm horrible, but I would say that I got interested in 2018 into Forex, but I got serious about it maybe 3 years ago. Maybe 3 years ago, I got serious about it. I started to study a lot, taking a lot of courses, backtesting a lot, and started my live account only like a year and 4 months, 6 months, maybe a year and a half ago. Only started my live account. Took me a while before starting my live account because I'm the guy. I'm the kind of guy who, when I start something, I want to make sure that I'm at that level. So yeah, when I do something, I want to do it fully. Just like full force. So I don't like the fact that it's like if you decide to go to compete into any sport, before competing, I want to make sure I can win. So I'm this kind of guy. I did a lot of competition into sports, and I'm this kind of guy. I want to make sure I can win, and if I cannot win, man, I'm gonna be training hard and learning skills and making sure I can beat my opponent. So for me, it's really, really, really important. Um, I'm a really too much competitive sometimes. Sometimes it can be actually something bad, but yeah, that's me, man. Um, what is your daily average pips you're comfortable with trading? GJ, thanks for the live today. Oh, you're welcome. What is my daily average pips? I'm always aiming for. I always put my partial TP at 11 pips. To be honest, most of the time. Today I put it at 15 because I had room. It was super clean traffic to the left side, but we were Friday, so I'm like, man, I think 15 is fair enough, and actually hit 15, and it went maybe 2 pips more and started retracing up, so it was just perfect. Um, Man, there's some good music out there. Man, I want to go on someone. I don't know if he's online right now. I can't remember the name, but someone sent me a picture of or video of him trading while listening to the stream this morning, and he was on the beach. And I was like, "Ugh, man, I want to go on the beach so bad." Right now, actually, this morning, I had some memories on Facebook. I had some memories on Facebook, and we were on a cruise at the same date last year. So, man, I can't wait for this pandemics to be done, man. Um, can you please? What are your 3 way of taking trades? 3 way of taking trades? You mean the 3 setups? Not sure. I got the question. Um, you real inspiration too, bro. Thanks. Stay pitful. Oh, thanks, Wade, man. Very appreciate. Very appreciate. Amen. Love your celebratory dance when you win a trade on the live stream. Oh, thanks. Oh, so I guess that wasn't your first, right? So yeah, thanks, man. I'm just trying to have fun, right? I mean, trading can be super boring, to be honest. We're just there to wait for price to move. We're looking at candles to move on the chart. So I'm just trying to have fun. Just try to have fun, because I think if you have fun when you do something, I mean, it just become easy or simple or less painful, you know? Because sometimes waiting for settlement can be pretty painful. Um, Mark, can't wait for Monday to dance again. Yeah, man. This morning, I don't know, I got myself into something pretty crazy. For people that wasn't there, I was like, all right, so let's get to, I think it was 500. Was it 500 likes? Yeah, I think we were at 400. I said, let's get to 500. I'm gonna start to dance, and it was like ADP news. It was like boom, 500. It was like whoa. So I started to dance. Anyways, so by the way, guys, I mean we should get at least 25 likes right now. I mean we're at 18, and if you're watching the replay, don't forget to give a like to the stream. That'd be very appreciated. Don't forget to subscribe also to the channel, so next time we go live, you know when we go live. And we're gonna be live Monday. So Monday morning we're gonna be streaming, and we're gonna have an all-star team, man. Monday. So I hopefully I don't know if Ted got that message when I was live earlier on Instagram. I saw him going that he was watching, so hopefully he got that. I might send him a message later on, but maybe he show up, and that will be awesome. But for sure, I got confirmation of Kerwin, Stefanos, Charlene, um, and Mac. Mac's gonna be there. Who else? Yeah, I think that's it for now. That 100% sure, confirmed that they're gonna be jumping on at one point. I know that Stefanos has something with his group, but he said that he's gonna be jumping on, and yeah, answering some question and breaking charts. So Kerwin's gonna do his thing with gold, and I think it's gonna be pretty dope, man. So Monday and Tuesday, make sure you're there. What else we got here? All right, what else we got before I log off? Because we are Friday, and I think I'm gonna have a shisha tonight. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see. Um, wait, elevator, because okay. Let's see here. Question. Can you? Whoa! That's a lot of question here. Okay, wait a second. Um, Not sure this is what I asked. Okay, hold on. Wait a second. 2 wins. Okay, let's go back here. Oh, man, you guys are on fire. Okay, so here. Oh, the mouse pad he's talking about, I'm sure. Yes, it is. This is actually this right here. Those are the rules, you know. So take a picture of that. And yeah. So yeah, that was the mouse pad. Yes, please. 3 setups. 3 setups. Okay, 3 setups. The first setup is my dogtail trade setup. So basically that's exactly the GA trade I took. The second trade will be, let's say here. Okay, let me give you an example. So second setup I'm going to be looking at is, let's say we create a new high kind of right here. So let's say we create a new high here, and this is not going to work because this is Friday, right? But if we create a new high, technically we need to come, we need to come down, create support. Let me, okay, here. So we need to create support like here to be able to retest that previous high, right? And eventually broke it. So that's my kind of setup, especially if it forms in that golden zone, that would be perfect. But this is Friday, so that's why now it's just ranging. But normally you can expect price to come back up, go down, and push back up, right? So that's how price moved. So that's one of my favorite setup. The second one's the dogtail trade setup. The third one will be the break and retest. So basically, let's say this is a good example. So this is a consolidation zone, kind of, right? So that can be a good setup. So this broke close above. I want to retest, but the problem with this, it closed back in this range. But if it had to close right here on top, and the next one closed bullish, it creates support, boom, you can ride this, right? So that will be the break and retest. So that's my 3 setup I'm looking at. More question. All right. Can't wait for. Oh, can you show example of your setup? Can you show example of your setup? Oh, I guess I just answered that. I don't know what I would do without the live stream. Oh, thanks, man. Andrew, I already dislike. Of course, Andrew, you did. This guy, man. This guy is always busting my balls. I like this guy. He's awesome. I'm in blue for more than a year, trading gold only, and GJ was always interesting. I caught too many trades in GJ. What do you think, bro? Should I trade it too? I mean, if you've been trading for a year, gold, and you're having success, I mean, why going to something else? But again, if you had like at least a year of experience on gold, yes, you can start to take a look at a second pair, a backup pair, kind of. But I mean, your main thing will be gold, right? So my main thing is GJ, and sometime I sneak peek into GA, right? Because it's been over a year I'm trading just GJ. At the time when there's volatility to trade, okay, so you guys enter each other. That's pretty good. Or this the Gulag King Andrew, yes. Because Mark did not draw a wheelchair. Yeah, Mark was in the Gulag today, man. Mark was not on Zoom. But hey, guys, good news. I upgraded Zoom to 500 participants. So to be honest, I thought I already had that. But anyway, so I paid the difference, and we're gonna be good for Monday. I sent a meme to Ted. He didn't answer, but I hope he laughed. It was about trading. Oh, hopefully. I'll send it to you to Sasha. All right, perfect. Thank you. This morning the Zoom was full. There was no place for the stash to be there. Yeah. We'll be doing the live stream for Raj on Monday and Tuesday. Yes. So gonna be the stream Monday and Tuesday with the team. When I went to the sleep, you was live. I wake up, you are still live. I'm that kind of guy, man. You know, they gave me like, oh, my wife took it back, but I drank 1 Red Bull, man, and I'm like, woo, I'm good to go. So yeah. Sasha, can you explain what the purple line are? Andrew, man. Seriously? This guy, man. He's always on my balls. Alright, so he just said he's having guests. Yes. Correct. Yes, I'm gonna start at 5:30. Probably at 5:30 I'm gonna be alone. With a couple peoples, but I'm gonna start at 5:30 because I always start trading at 5:30 a.m. Eastern. So yeah, stream's gonna be on at 5:30 a.m. Eastern Monday. All right, so yes. Yes, quarter points. Yes, what a quarter point. Explain me. Hey, Andrew, man. Sasha, do you target 27% and TPs? Not really. I use them as, yes, I can use them as a hint, but I don't specifically target them. Simon, we use this only for entry. Yes. Can I join the Zoom meeting? If you can find where to join the Zoom meeting, you're allowed in. I'll give you a hint. Take a look at my IG profile. All right, so that's it, guys. So thank you very much for tuning in for this Forex Talk Over Beer episode. Yes, exactly. So, all right. So thank you very much, guys, for tuning in. I see you Monday for this for the live stream. Monday, Tuesday, also for live stream. Wednesday, I'm gonna have Forex Talk Over Beer, and I'm gonna release something pretty cool on Wednesday. So make sure you're there. Thank you very much for watching. Again, don't forget to give a like to the stream, please. That would be very appreciated. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and allow notification. So next time we go live, you'll know we're here, right? So again, cheers, happy weekend, have fun, enjoy your time, and safe trading next week. Take care, guys.